Hello dear student, welcome to Free Learning English channel. Today I'm going to teach you about position of adjective. And we can use position of adjective, we can use adjective in three positions, okay? Position of adjective, we can use adjective in three positions. Number one is attributive adjective. Attributive adjective or attributive position or those positions that we can use adjective before noun. We can use adjective what? Before noun in the position of attributive. Number one is that position that we can use adjective before noun. For example, we can say that John is an outstanding boy. What is outstanding? Outstanding is adjective. Outstanding is adjective, and this adjective can before noun. It means boy. Boy is noun and can before noun. That's the first position, and it's called attributive. Attributive adjective. Okay, it is attributive adjective. Attributive adjective. And number two, it is indicative adjective. Indicative adjective or indicative position or those positions that we can use adjective after linking where. When adjective come after linking where, that's the position of indicative position. For example, John is outstanding. John is outstanding. We can say that we outstanding modify John. It means John is perfect. John is superb. John is very good person. And this outstanding is adjective and come after linking verb. That's is. And this position is indicative adjective. Came after linking verb. Number three is that position that neither attributive nor indicative. None of this position. Out of these two positions. And it said that we can use this third position and neither before noun, come neither before noun and nor linking verb. None of them. For example, we can say that John made me crazy. John made me crazy. That's new position without this two position. This come before noun, and this is another position come after linking verb, and this is not neither before noun nor after linking verb. Okay, John made me crazy. Crazy is what? Adjective, and come at the end of the sentence, and that's another position. Okay, dear friend, we studied three kind of position of adjective. The first one was attributive position, come before noun. For example, John is outstanding boy. And number two is indicative position, come after linking verb, like John is outstanding. And number three, neither attributive nor indicative. We can use neither before noun and nor after linking verb. For example, John made me crazy. Okay? Thank you, dear friend, for having me up to this time. If you have some question, please put some comment below. And if you like this kind of lessons, please subscribe your channel and like your channel and hit the bell button. And we will study, inshallah, all the grammar step by step. And this is the class of grammar and free learning English. Thank you and have a nice time.